Mastering third-person pronouns in reported speech. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to tackle an important topic in mastering reported speech: third-person pronouns. This might seem tricky at first, but don't worry. We'll break it down step by step, and I promise you'll get the hang of it. Before we delve into third-person pronouns, let's make sure we understand what a pronoun is. Pronouns are words we use to replace nouns. For instance, instead of saying, John is eating, John is happy, we say, he is eating, he is happy. Third-person pronouns are pronouns that refer to people or things that are being talked about, not the ones speaking or being spoken to. These include he, she, it, they, them, his, hers, its, theirs. Third-person pronouns are essential in reported speech because they allow us to tell someone else's story or words without changing the meaning. In reported speech, we often shift pronouns to ensure clarity. For example, if Lisa said, I love my book, in reported speech, we'd say, Lisa said that she loved her book. A crucial point to remember is that third-person pronouns don't usually change in reported speech. If the original speaker was talking about someone or something else, third person, then we maintain the same pronoun when reporting the speech. For instance, if Paul said, she is my best friend, we report it as, Paul said that she was his best friend. That's all for today's lesson on third-person pronouns in reported speech. Keep practicing with different sentences and you'll master it in no time. Remember, learning a language is all about consistent practice. Keep at it and you'll be a pro. Thanks for watching and happy learning.